Babalik ang tanimbalang modus sa NAIA lalo't meron na naman daw na biktima kaya mga pasahero, ibinabalot na naman ang kanilang bagahe.
I hate to do this, okay? Alam ko mahirap mawalan ng trabaho. Lalo na ngayon. Napakahirap ng buhay. Pero, sana po, we are sending a message loud and clear to everyone in government and everyone in the DOTR, everyone in the airport, everyone in the port, everyone in the railway, everyone in the road sector, LTO, LTFRB, everyone, that we will not tolerate this sort of behavior against our citizens. So we are hereby announcing the termination of all the people in the OTS who were involved in this incident. Ilan ba? Tatlo. Three personnel. Hindi po kami nagdadalawa. We are not fooling around here. Hindi kami nagloloko dito. Kung akala nyo nagloloko kami, nagkakamali kayo. Kung akala nyo, ginagawa lang namin to for show, nagkakamali kayo. No, and the appropriate investigations will be conducted and the proper administrative charges will be filed after the investigation has been conducted. But now we are terminating them already today. I've already instructed General Bisnar to issue that order today.
Kaya yung sabi ko, at the airport, if you have noticed, there's no more opening of bags. Diretso na. And, in the past, when I was mayor, congressman, tapos mga governor, we are just wait by. Even if there's a kilometraheng baggage na lalo na galing Hong Kong, the traditional markets. Kami, baski ilan dali naming bagahe, lusot-lusot. Pagdating ng OFW, 2, 3, 4, kalkalin pa nila. I have prohibited that. There's no more opening of the bag, no more touching of the bag. Wala nang, wag hawakan ang mga bag ng mga pasahero. Pag hinawakan mo, tapos may nakita kang bala, para sa akin, ikaw yun. Walang gagong Pilipino, no stupid Filipino would dare to travel abroad when he knows that here he is being checked for any explosives. Then when you go in to the terminals, you have another check because they have the customs there. Kaya yan ang pinagbabawal ko lahat, and a host of many other things.